Sustainability has always been at the heart of the Tata Group since its inception. At Tata Global Beverages, we firmly believe that a sustainable business is a better business, which generates better long-term value for all its stakeholders. Tata Global Beverages has identified 5 core pillars for sustainability, which are integrated with its strategy. Sustainable sourcing, climate change management, water management, waste management, and community development. As an organization dependent on natural resources, we are committed to sustainable sourcing across our supply chain. And this commitment is long-standing. TGB, then Tetley Group, is one of the founding members of Ethical Tea Partnership, set up in 1997. We continue to be actively involved in ETP and its initiatives. One of the unique ways in which ETP affects sustainable change is through farmer field schools. Another important partnership that allows to source sustainably is with the Rainforest Alliance. The Rainforest Alliance is an international non-profit organization that works to conserve biodiversity and ensures sustainable livelihoods. Working together, we are able to track specific sustainability issues within the tea sector. We are committed to sourcing 100% of our black teas from RA, which is Rainforest Alliance certified farms, for all our Tetley branded teas in the EMEA region and CAA region by 2016. In fact, more than 50% of Tetley tea worldwide now comes from RA certified farms already. Also, we are one of the founding members of the Trust Tea Initiative in India, a multi-stakeholder initiative led by the Tea Board of India to sustainably transform the Indian tea industry. The 5-year program targets 500 million kgs of tea, which is roughly half India's production, from over 600 factories, and hopes to have a positive impact on the livelihoods of 500,000 tea plantation workers and 40,000 smallholder farmers by 2017. Another interesting initiative in sustainability is Farmers First Hand, FFH. Farmers First Hand is an innovative social media initiative using Facebook, where consumers can talk directly with the people who grow, harvest and produce their favorite kappa in South Africa and India. They can learn all about how Tetley's partnership with the RA Rainforest Alliance is helping create better lives for our farmers and better tea for them. Besides sustainable sourcing, our other efforts around sustainability are also seeing results. Tata Global Beverages has been ranked first in the Carbon Disclosure Leadership Index, CDLI, in the consumer staples sector in India. Our subsidiary, Tata Coffee's water management initiatives help meet 95% of their water requirement. And our biggest factory in UK, Eaglescliffe, sends zero waste to landfill. Community development is another big area of focus for us. Improving the quality of life of the communities we serve is a key part of Tata Global Beverages' purpose. Working with communities and considering them as key stakeholders in our progress is what makes our good business better. From small yet significant efforts to large-scale community initiatives, our objective is to ensure a better quality of life for everyone. From our General Hospital in Munnar, which caters to the health needs of 2 lakh people, to sustained volunteering efforts in UK, US and Canada, we are hoping in our own small way to make a meaningful difference.